Hi, here is Saima from Meroz Khan Blogger, and this is lecture or video. Hi, here is Saima from Meroz Khan Blogger, and in this video of Fiverr Secrets Unlocking, that is the video number 4, we are going to cover few important things like when you create gig on Fiverr, you must have keep these things in mind. Like create 7 gigs, try to work on 2 niche or skills. Create your own video explaining what you will provide in your service. Create a sample of your work, save it in a folder, and show it to the client whenever he demands. Getting first order. When I started my Fiverr journey, I was waiting for first order desperately. While waiting, you need to do these 3 things: send buy request, share your service on possible platforms, keep practicing your skills, and create sample work. Well, it is essential to have sample work because if you are providing graphics designing services, most clients will ask you to show your previous work samples. So it is excellent to send them your sample work. Make sure whatever you are offering to the client would be your best practice. Buy request. Buy request are the request which the client posts on Fiverr when they need something they can't find easily, or they want to skip the process of searching their desired services with the desired price. So when you will move to your seller dashboard, here you will see an option like more. When you will click on this one, you will see buy request option. So everyone who can see the buy request can send them an offer to get the project. You have daily 10 chances to send your offers to buyers and convince them to choose you at beginner level at Fiverr. You have to make sure that your proposal should be the best so the buyer will choose you instead of others. Do you know there are a lot of sellers providing the same service? Do you need to think about why the client will place an order on your service instead of someone else? To do that, you need to send an attractive offer on Fiverr. How? How to send attractive offers mm, on Fiverr? Well, the first thing to look at the job with fewer offers already sent because we have a higher chance of being selected. Now we have to read the description and the requirements of the job successfully. Suppose the buyer wants a seller who can deliver work in 3 days with a $25 budget. If you can do this task quickly on a low budget, you will have a higher chance of getting this job. Tips to get first order. If you can do particular work in 24 hours, you have a high chance of getting a job. If you can also offer some extra service related to your job free of cost as a bonus, you have high chances of getting a job. You can give him a discount at the start. Suppose his budget is $50 and you can do this for $25. You have high chance of getting a job. Send offers daily to every request you get, even if you don't know how to do it. Send buy request it at a higher price so the buyer couldn't accept your offer. This trick works to get more buy requests shown to you. So always send a proposal to everyone if you are new or unable to see a lot of buy requests. How I get my first order. At the start, I had no such experience and even I didn't know about these tips. I was blank as most of you are now. So I kept using Fiverr for the first 3 days but didn't get any order. I was very disappointed. The real problem of my disappointment was I didn't receive a single message from any buyer after sending buy request. After that, I changed the style of attracting buyers with some attractive and professional offers in buy request as mentioned above. The fourth day was great for me because I got a reply from one of the buyers. I was so excited. A reply was enough for my happiness. This was the client's reply. I need 500 words SEO article with specific keywords. I said, yes, I can write for you offering a special discount. If you order 5 articles, I will give you a $5 discount. So instead of $25, I will do the job for $20. He said, that's great. Here is the screenshot of my first order as well. So that was the amount I have got from my first order and that day was fantastic. It was my first article order. Even I was not a good article writer, but I tried my best, wrote an article and sent it to the client. The happiest moment was when he accepted and gave me a good review with 5 stars. This $20 was more than $2,000 for me. I became so excited in my class. I started to think about Fiverr and dream of becoming Mark Zuckerberg soon through my skills. The first order was a big boost for me. After that, I started giving more time to Fiverr, and with more experience from time to time, I was learning from my mistakes and learning something new and exciting daily because every day is making me better than before. Every day I realized the mistakes I was doing before with some improvement. I started getting more orders which changed my life because I was earning a reasonable amount. So this was all about Fiverr secrets unlocking. Hopefully in our next videos we will cover more about Fiverr secrets unlocking. As well we will do keyword research and will create one or two gigs so you people get experience of creating gigs that will rank on first one, two or three pages of Fiverr. So thanks for the time being. Stay connected for latest upcoming videos. Thank you.